Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Samsung MS661E headphones with the LED back side panels, so you can listen to music and have that like a flashy flair to it. So stay tuned with me as I go through the review and the unboxing of this headphone. Okay, so now the unboxing. This opens in a very interesting way. No, very easy. Just flip, and voila, it is open. There you go. Little neat headphones. Alright, first things first, I want to check out the features on this headphone. So, open it up. Alright. On the what is that? Does it tell you which side is which? I'm just gonna assume that this is the left side. So on the left side of it, you have the power button. You have the FM radio button to switch between FM and MP3. You have the backwards button and the volume down button. And you have the forward button and the volume up button. You also have the ability to pause or answer calls. So I think it's interesting. But let me just check something on this to see if it's actually expandable in terms of head size, because it should be. It would be kind of weird if it wasn't. So let me just give that a check. Okay, so by pulling down the sides of this headphone, it'll extend so it can fit any head size. Like from my big head, I know I need ample space for my head section. Alright, so let's talk about the whole design and the feel of it. I love the fact that it has these LED panels right here, a little metallic frame, so you know if anything I should hit upon something, it will not damage the LED. So it feels very sturdy. Feels like a very strong headphone. Cushion at the top, relatively soft. I felt softer, but you know, when it comes to putting it on, there is no issue. And it has cards coming out of the top of the headphone, which is interesting because normally they're inside the enclosure leading to the earmuffs. So it's an interesting way of doing it. The earmuffs are very soft, by the way. The padding's on the earmuff, yeah, they're very soft. I think that's basically it. I choose red because, you know, red is, to me, is very universal, and you know, you can't go wrong with it, in my opinion. So is there anything else that I missed? Okay, yeah, you have a micro USB slot, and in addition you have the charging port here, and you have the AUX cable port right there. I think that's basically it. I'm going to give you guys a hear of this headphone and see what you like, because I know that's basically really what you're here for, to know whether or not it sounds good or not. You know, because I have some headphones on that, you know, when I take them off, like they're so uncomfortable. well, they leave a bad impression on my ears. But the sound quality is so good that I don't even remember the pain. That's not good though. But if you're a great music lover like me, you would at times get lost in the music and forget that a headphone is very uncomfortable. But this isn't like that. It's comfortable. But let's listen to the audio and see how it goes. Alright, just before we listen to the audio, let me just make mention that they do come with the AUX cable and the USB charger, micro USB charger. So it was right underneath, so that's why I didn't see it at first. I completely forgot about it while talking about the appearance of the headphone. So now without further ado, let's listen to how it sounds. So my ears are not even on it and I can hear it. So I'm just gonna bring you guys closer to it so you can hear basically a bit of how good it sounds. So if it sounds good from where you're getting it, just imagine from how I'm getting it when it's on my ears. Okay, that was lovely, very lovely. In addition to that, I'm not sure if I made mention of this, but it's also a wireless headphone. So you get best of both worlds: the aux cable connection and the ability to play your music wirelessly. Okay, so in order for you to have the LED effect, which is it makes sense, but it would have been nice if they also offered it with the aux connection as well, you know. But you know, you give and take. So if you were looking to have the LED flash while you were on the AUX connection, then that won't happen. However, when you do turn on the Bluetooth, it talks to you and tells you it's turned on. And then, beautiful. On both sides as well. So yeah, what can I say? It's very flashy. I like it. Let me just turn off the lights so you can get to see like how nice it actually looks in the dark, yo. It's very nice. All right.
Power off.
Even tells you when the power is off. Now, this headphone, I like it. I must say, I like it. I recommend you buying it, giving it a try. You know, very budget friendly, and it gives you good quality, and it feels comfortable. So, thank you for watching my review and unboxing. Subscribe, share the video, keep supporting my channel. I try my best to put up as much reviews, troubleshooting, or whatever I find interesting that I would like to share with you. I try to put up. Yeah, leave in the comments down below asking any questions about it. I'll answer all of them as best as possible, and I try to answer all of them in a quick and speedy time. So thank you for watching my video. Ciao.